Hi everyone, I'm Victor. Today we'll check out the different holidays happening on April 12th. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. D.E.A.R. Day. D.E.A.R. Day, which stands for Drop Everything and Read, is an annual event that encourages people to take a break from their daily routines and devote time to reading for pleasure. This day is celebrated in schools, libraries, and communities across the United States and around the world. D.E.A.R. Day is typically observed on April 12th in honor of beloved children's author Beverly Cleary, who was born on that day in 1916. Cleary is best known for her Ramona Quimby series, among other popular children's books. The event is meant to promote a love of reading among children and adults alike, fostering a lifelong habit that can benefit individuals in numerous ways. On D.E.A.R. Day, schools and libraries often host special events, such as author visits, reading-themed activities, and read-a-thons, to inspire students and community members to read more. National Only Child Day. National Only Child Day is an unofficial observance celebrated annually on April 12th. This day honors and celebrates the unique experiences and perspectives of individuals who are raised as the only child in their family. Being an only child can come with both advantages and challenges, such as greater independence, academic achievements, and closer relationships with parents, but also feelings of loneliness, pressure to succeed, and social isolation. National Only Child Day serves as a platform to highlight and acknowledge these experiences and to recognize the contributions and achievements of only children in various fields. Cosmonautics Day. Cosmonautics Day is an annual holiday celebrated in Russia and some former Soviet countries on April 12th. It commemorates the historic milestone of the first human spaceflight, achieved by Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin on April 12, 1961. Gagarin's 108-minute orbit around the Earth aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft marked a significant achievement in human space exploration and demonstrated the Soviet Union's prowess in the ongoing space race with the United States. Cosmonautics Day was first celebrated in the Soviet Union in 1962, just 1 year after Gagarin's flight. It has since become an important day for honoring the accomplishments of space exploration and recognizing the contributions of cosmonauts, astronauts, engineers, and scientists involved in space missions. In 2011, the United Nations General Assembly declared April 12th as the International Day of Human Spaceflight, extending the recognition of this historic event to a global scale. National Grilled Cheese Sandwich Day. National Grilled Cheese Sandwich Day is an unofficial food holiday observed annually on April 12th in the United States. The day celebrates the grilled cheese sandwich, a popular comfort food made by grilling a cheese-filled sandwich until the cheese melts and the bread becomes crispy and golden brown. The simplicity and versatility of the grilled cheese sandwich have made it a beloved classic in American cuisine. On National Grilled Cheese Sandwich Day, people across the country honor this tasty dish by indulging in their favorite versions of the sandwich. Restaurants, food trucks, and cafes may offer special deals or unique variations of grilled cheese sandwiches, while some individuals may choose to make their favorite recipes at home. Hamster Day. Hamster Day, also known as National Hamster Day or World Hamster Day, is an unofficial holiday celebrated on April 12th. The purpose of this day is to raise awareness about hamsters as pets and promote proper care, attention, and education on how to keep them healthy and happy. Celebrating Hamster Day can be as simple as giving your hamster some extra attention, treats, or playtime, or sharing your love for these small creatures with others. By raising awareness about proper hamster care and responsible pet ownership, Hamster Day aims to ensure that these adorable pets lead fulfilling and healthy lives. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.